Hello everyone, how are you, and welcome to another video on React Native course. So in today's video we will discuss about an error that we are facing. So today I started recording my tutorial video, and in this video I think that I will use the iOS emulator, but when I run the pod install, so I am getting this error. Okay, so maybe you are also facing this error, so we will solve this error and check what's going on. So I'm taking help from the chat gpt, so let's see what chat gpt suggests. Okay, so CocoaPods conflict GTM session fetcher code, cause there's a version conflict. Okay, and your pod file has this version. Okay, so what's the solution? We have to run this pod repo update. Okay, so first run this. Right after that I will run these commands also. So this command you need to run it over here. Okay, now you have to cd inside your iOS and run this command. So what is happening that we are removing this pod folder and this pod file.log file, and we are reinstalling our pod. Okay, so let's see if this issue solved or not after doing this, and if this doesn't solve the issue, so then we need to do these steps. Also guys, in this video we will learn how we can create our own custom header. Okay guys, so now we didn't get any error, which means all is working fine. Okay guys, now we will cd back to our main folder, and we will run yarn iOS to run our application in iOS. So in today's video we will use iOS emulator. Okay friends, so now you can see our application is up and running, and now we will create our own custom header. So first of all we will go inside the component, and we will create the header over here. I will call it header component, and here I will create the functional component. Okay, and save it. Now guys, as you know, in our login screen and create account screen, the save area component is already um, imported, and um, we are making our UI inside the save area view. So I will first of all keep this over here. Okay, now let's come to the header component. Here what we need, we will specify the screen. Okay, so right now we are on the login screen, so in header and our header component we will define that this is our login screen. Okay, this is our creating account screen, something like that. Okay, so now what we will do, inside this component we will take name as a prop. Okay, and we will put name over here, and let's go inside the login screen, and here in this UI I will remove this login from here, so it will show welcome to geo survey. Okay, now inside the save area view I will, after this status bar, the I will import this header component, and in this I will provide name that this is our login screen. So login. Okay, and this why it's showing here, and we will save our header component also. Okay, now over here inside this view I will provide the style of padding. 15. Okay, and this text I will give it a style. Okay, so in this I will give a style like font family Poppins bold, say Poppins regular. Okay, not bold. And guys, let's say font size will be 17. Okay, 25. Yep, I think 25 is okay. So here we will define the name of the screen in our header component. So in Android you see that this status bar color is also changed, but now in iOS you can see that there is no change in the status bar. This is white. I think that the good approach will be that we will design uh, the Android header and iOS header separately. So I think this will be a good approach. So how we can do a platform specific code? In this video you will also learn that. So first of all, let's design it according to the iOS. So in this iOS I am not doing too much thing. Okay, so all the thing like same as it is. Okay, and but in Android we will change the background color of this, and the login text will be white. Okay, let's before doing that, let's also go to this create account screen, guys. And in here create account screen, I will, in the safe area component, I will safe area component. Okay, and there is a header. So what will happen that inside the safe area view I will provide the name, and this name will go over here like this. Okay guys, so now what will happen if you are on the login screen, in the save area component you will provide the name of the screen like this is a login screen, and in the create account screen in the safe area component you will provide the name that this is a uh, create account screen. Okay, so I will say create account. Okay, and we will remove this text because we don't need this anymore. Okay, so this will show like that. And one more thing guys, there is a one more problem in iOS. We have to like put a button over here which will take the user to the previous screen. Okay, so we will also learn that how we can put a icon over here. Okay, but before that let's focus on the header component. So on iOS side it is okay. Let's come to the Android side. So I will close my Metro bundler and I will run application in Android. So yarn Android. Okay, so I'm keeping this both emulator open now to show you the difference. Okay, because we are creating a header component which will act according to iOS and Android differently. Okay, so we will do platform specific code in this tutorial. Okay friends, so our Android app is ready also. So now you can see that this design is same as the iOS design, but we do not need that. We have to make some different header design for the Android. So we will come inside our header component. Okay, and here we will do some platform specific code like I will change the background color. So here I will use this platform API which is provided by the React Native. So platform dot os after that is equal to if Android, then guys I need to change the background color. So I will pick the color from my safe area component, this color, and I will put it over here. Else the background color will be white. Okay, and I will copy this code and I will say that the text color, if platform is Android, then the text color is white, else the text color will be black. Okay, now I will save it. So I will explain you what is going on. That platform API will give you access, like it will give you with the use of platform you can specify the difference between that, whether it is a Android application, the user is using Android application, or iOS. So you can write platform specific code. So here I say that if user platform.os means user is using the Android, then the background color will be this. If iOS, then the background color will be white, and respectively the text color will also change. If Android, this is white, else this is black. So now you can see over here that my this color is changed. I will also do one more thing over here is the I will add one more property over here, which is I will keep my application over here, which is include font padding will be false. So we implemented the uh, font pop-ins, so there is some padding extra that come with the font, and we say that we don't want to include the font padding, so we will say false. Okay guys, so now if you go to the create account screen, then you can also find this create account. Okay, and well, one more thing I would like to I would also like to change over here, that is this is if the platform is like iOS, then I think that 25 is a good font size, but I think for Android 20 will be okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, so this is our own this is our custom header that we just created, and we will make changes in this custom header in our upcoming next video. I think this is it for today's video. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a good day.